Fortnite fans, Epic Games just scored a huge win in Australia, bringing Fortnite back to iPhones after a court slammed Apple and Google's App Store monopolies. Is this a game changer? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this epic comeback. An Australian court ruled against Apple and Google, paving the way for Fortnite's return to iPhones via the Epic Games Store. After a 5-year App Store ban, Epic CEO Tim Sweeney says it's coming back. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. Epic sued Apple in 2020 and Google in 2021, accusing them of using their 30% App Store commissions to crush competition. Australia's federal court, led by Justice Jonathan Beach, agreed, ruling on August 12th that both companies abused their monopoly power. While some of Epic's claims about unfair practices were dismissed, this victory means Fortnite's return to iOS in Australia. Fortnite was yanked from the iOS App Store in 2020 after Epic bypassed Apple's payment system. It's already back in the EU via the Epic Games Store, and now Australia's next, with a US win against Google's Play Store monopoly adding momentum. Apple and Google are reviewing the ruling, but claim that they face fierce competition and prioritize user safety. This ruling shakes up the App Store landscape, giving developers like Epic more freedom to bypass Apple and Google's control. For gamers, it means Fortnite's back on iPhones without the middleman, potentially setting a precedent for other apps. Could this spark a global App Store revolution? Fortnite's iOS comeback in Australia is coming soon via the Epic Games Store. Stay tuned for Epic's launch date. Are you hyped to drop back into Fortnite? Or curious about the App Store wars? Drop it below. Share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.